Alright, so I came up with this fun thing today and I just thought I would share it because I can. So I was going to program lights for a new song and I had a new sequence that my plugin Create New Song created for me, and I have just empty cues that I can now program into. And my next step was to go through the cues, listening to the song and mark down like verse, etc., so that I had labeled cues to program into for each transition that happened in the song. Now I had an older version of the song that had all of the correct names in here with even the lyrics and everything. The only reason I was programming it anew was because, this is just to do an example, but the old version that I had in there was not programmed in recipes, and we've been switching our workflow over to recipes, so I needed to reprogram the song. And so I was like, I have to go through and label all these cues. And that was when I had a cool idea. I was like, you know what? I could do this a much easier way. So I just went into here and I created this plugin real quick. I just wrote it out on my console at the time, and I just typed for I equals 100, if object list sequence 158 Q1 through part 0, I is not equal to nil, then we're going to set sequence 159's Q name to the same numbered Q from the other one. And I ran it, and voila, all of my cues have their names already. Now I just have to start programming. That's it. It was literally so easy. And now I saved this plugin in my show file, and all I have to do is go in and change the sequence names and run it anytime I have to do the same thing, which I have to do pretty frequently at this point because I have quite a few songs I need to reprogram using recipes. And so this is a cool tool that I just made really quickly and thought I would share in case it interests anybody else.